To understand and appreciate food insecurity and what families face, we created the Iron Chef competition where they compete against one another in teams on a limited budget.
We each got different stores that we had to go to, and really that kind of reflects the availability of what kind of food people have depending on where we live. And then the added challenge of only having $10 to spend is really almost twice as much as most people have when they're on the SNAP budget.
We took students to the East Bay Community Action Program. They learned about WIC, they learned about SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Program. They also learned about the challenges of those programs.
Not everyone's got 2 hours to make their food and then an hour to eat it and clean it up and get ready for the next day.
Especially if people are working like 2 or 3 part-time jobs and having to go to all the meetings with Ed, Cap, and things like that.
Or if you're staying in a night shelter that only lets you in there for a very set number of hours a day, you don't want to spend most of it standing in front of a stove.
We had no idea how to cook any of this, so if we didn't have the chef to help us, there would not have come out anything edible, I don't think. At least for us, like, that would be hard for somebody who doesn't have those skills. Or the ability to have an industrial kitchen. We had everything we needed right there.
I think it also adds to not only understanding that this is a real issue, but seeing how close to you it is.
If we were just reading these articles in the classroom, I would have been more tempted to be like, whatever, not really realize the real life implications as opposed to what we're doing where we saw people living like this, the places they were going to get help. It became more real.